Welcome to weekly forecast. This is a big forex school. My name is Elias Rubono. I'm a forex trader from Arusha, Tanzania. So, as usual, we are doing the forecast for the coming week. Starting with the DXY, the market is in the correction phase now. It may push up to take liquidity here. There is some liquidity located in this area. So the market should take this liquidity to this level before falling. So we are waiting the market to reach our level here so that we can short. So all USD pairs, USD will be falling. Okay, so we are expecting the market to fall at least to this level here. So we need to wait the market to go to our zone here so that we can short the market. Okay. Uh, Euro USD. Since we have a selling dollar, we are expecting the euro now to be rising because the euro and the USD they go in vice versa way. Okay, so if you are in a buying trade, you may break even and hold. But if you are not yet in the trade, you may wait the market to fall to this level so that you can take your buy trade. Okay, your first take profit will be First take profit will be when the market reach this zone. So Euro USD will be buying. Another setup, let us say USD JPY, USD JPY. We wait the market to go up to this level, then we short the market to the downside. So we are waiting the market to reach our area so that we can short the market. USD JPY, we will find the same setup. Another pair, let us see AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD USD. As was forecasted last week, the market must go up. The market should go up starting from this level. As you can see, we have BMS here. This is a correction to the downside that we can shoot up. If you are not in the trade, you may wait a short correction here so that you can enter your trade of buying. So we are in the wrong setup. We must long the market. Okay. AUD USD we will be buying this week. Another USD card. This market, it started from here to here to here. Then it must come down. You may wait since this is the impossible. You may wait the correction phase, then you enter the trade to the downside. You will be selling at least when the market reach this Quasimodo level here. Like you see the invalidation in this level, then you will be shorting the market to this zone. Okay, this is USD card. USD card, we must short. We must short the market when it reach this zone. Another setup, let's see GBP USD. This it should go up, but before going up, we may see the correction to the downside. This correction it may come to take liquidity. Liquidity located here. We can see like there is equal lows. Here we may come to take liquidity, or the people who entered here may come to take their stop loss, then react at this validation so that we can long the market to this side. So we will be buying pound dollar, be buying. Okay, another setup. Yes, another setup we can see GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. As you can see, this is a downtrend, but the market broken this level and not yet touched the starting of the trend. So we are here to the RTO. As you can see, the market reacted at this invalidation. Now we are continuing the downside. So we must short the market to this level. So here we may wait this correction to touch this area so that we can have our setup. Again, let us see NZD, New Zealand dollar, and the USD. So as you can see, we are in this channel now. Okay, mark touched here, touched here again, touched here. So we are on our way to the upside. So the market here, it may correct. We may expect a simple pullback at this level to take the liquidity here. After reacting here, we may start going up. If we are not in the trade now, you may wait a simple pullback, then you enter a long setup. Okay, we will be buying NZD USD. Will be buying this week. Another setup, CAD CHF, CAD CHF. CAD CHF, we are forecasted to reach this level, invalidation level, so that it can go up. As you can see, the market is at the entry now. If you are not in the trade, you may wait the market to give you a good structure so that you can go long. Okay, we are buying. We are buying CAD CHF. CAD CHF, we must take the buy setup. Let us see those gold, yes, gold. As you can see here, gold were forecasted to fall. It is falling in a corrective way, but here we may see the pullback that will be going up. So we will have a buy setup, but for the long run, gold must continue to fall. So you may decide to take this buy setup to the area where we will see the short setup. But for me, said I will wait the gold to go up at least until this level so that I can take my short trade into the end of this trend. So another setup, we can say silver. Silver is doing good. Silver is doing good because it is reacted here. Then it must go up to this level. Silver is a buying setup. I will buy silver where I'm waiting to sell gold. And I know they are they are moving in the same they have correlation in their movement. But for me, here I see the end of the trend, but gold not yet. So I will see for my swing trade, I will wait silver to turn back at this level, then I take my long trade. Okay. Another setup rate has seen Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Nasdaq must touch here, then fall down. I see the market falling to, can say to 10,000 level. Yes, can see the market falling to there. I will wait in nasdaq to reach this zone so that I can take my short trade. Okay, I think I'm ready. And as I said earlier, that the big forex school, we are in the program of our second master class, which will start from July 7, July 7. So if you are interested to join this movement, you are welcome. You may find my number to the link there, contact with me direct, or give you the instructions on how to join this master class. Now, thank you for your time. Enjoy your trading work.